As panic seized the wolves, the hornets were preparing for battle. There was no order in wolf country, and the chaos was so overwhelming, no ordinary leader could restore confidence among the wolves and prepare them for the imminent attack. But one group of wolves remained calm through the horrific terror. Jacques Callawanian, Balius, Odelius, Xavius Martinsonian, and Xanius Mentimiglian led a group of wolf refugees to safety in an ancient cave. As they counted their losses deep within the recesses of the cave, they discovered an ancient carving inscribed on the wall of the primordial den. It was a carving of a legendary confrontation between the wolves and hornets. The heinous hornets could overpower any lone wolf, but a ravenous, united pack annihilated the entirety of the malicious hornets. A flash of understanding swept across the wolves in the cave, and the beleaguered wolves instinctively knew what to do. They charged out of the cave and let out a mighty howl that thundered across wolf country. It echoed in the ears of every wolf, awakening the forgotten instincts and unveiling their true power. After the howl released, an eerie silence invaded wolf country, a silence that was quickly broken by the ominous hum of a swarm of hornets as they began infiltrating the wolf territory. "Battle is upon us!" exclaimed Xanius Mentimiglian. "We must be united to conquer the hornets!" Then he led the wolves in one unified mighty howl as the hornets were dangerously near to the wolf pack. The sky and earth began to shake from the howl. Battle was about to begin.